Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to this new episode. So if you're looking to create a Cash App account but aren't located in the US, you've landed on the right video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a Cash App account out of the US. Okay, so this is an unsupported country, guys, for everyone looking to use Cash App. So without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. So before we even go any further, I've provided a link to this complete written guide on how to create a Cash App account, so you won't miss any step out. Okay, so I recommend you to massively check that link out from the video description. So we'll be covering a series of steps to get this work. Okay, so first thing, you have to create a Gmail account, switch to a US IP, download the Cash App mobile app and sign up for an account. Okay, so the steps are pretty easy even though it's a long process. So first things first, you want to create a Gmail account, a new Gmail account. Okay, so to do this, I will recommend you to do this via the Gmail app. So just open your Gmail app and then you click on this account icon right here, and then you click add another account, select Google, then enter my PIN. So once on this page, you just click create account. Okay, and then you select for my personal use. Then you want to enter a name, so let me just enter a name for the purpose of this tutorial. So just click next, and then you want to select a date of birth. Okay, so you can enter your date of birth or just enter something random. All right, then you want to select a gender, click next, and then you want to pick up your Gmail address. Okay, so just click next, and then you want to enter a password for this account. All right, you can let Google suggest a strong password or just enter something on your liking. Okay, so I'll just suggest a strong password here. Okay, after entering your password, just click next. So I just confirm my account information, and then you want to accept the privacy and terms. Okay, just agree. If everything went well, you should get your account created right away. Okay, so the next step that you want to do now, or you want to take right now, is to download a reliable VPN. Okay, so I suggest Winscribe, since it is free and offers a good bandwidth for your connection. Okay, because for this tutorial we need a very stable and reliable internet connection, even if it is through a VPN service. Okay, so I recommend Winscribe. You can download it from the Play Store, or you can even get more free VPNs from the video descriptions. Okay, so I'll just click on this Winscribe to open it right away. So I suppose you've downloaded it already, so just switch to a US location. I'm going to select the best one from here for my location, which is Dallas range. And then once you're connected to the VPN, the next step will be to download the Cash App mobile app. Okay, so to download the Cash App mobile app, you want to open your Play Store, and then you switch to the account that you created earlier. Okay, so you want to click on this drop down and switch to this account you created earlier. You want to accept the terms of service, and then there you go. So just click on this search icon and tap search for Cash App. Okay, just like so. Then you search for it, you'll see Cash App show up right away. Just click on the install button. All right, so let's give it some time to install. Alright, so once Cash App installed on your device, the next step that you want to take is to safely remove your SIM card from your phone. Okay, so this is a crucial step in this tutorial, so you want to do that right away, and we'll continue. Let me just do that. So after safely removing your SIM cards from your phone, the next thing that you want to do is to open this Cash App. Okay, so just click on the open from your Play Store. So I already have a couple of Cash App accounts on this my on my mobile device. So I just want to add a new account to this device for the purpose of this tutorial. Okay, so in your case, you just see create or open a new account, just click on that or anything similar. So let me just click on this add account to this device. So it will take us to the sign up process. Okay, this is the process the step you typically have to take. Okay, so you want to use your email instead, and then enter the email that we created earlier. All right, so after entering the email, you just want to click on the next button. Okay, and then you want to enter the code sent to you. Okay, so just give it some time to receive the code. So after receiving the code, you just want to copy paste it in Cash App. Okay, so let me just copy the code and paste it in the field. Okay, just like so. You can remove this hyphen. And then just paste the code in a hole, just like so. Then you click next. So here the screen has been dimmed or is black because I am typically asked to add a bank account to use Cash App. Okay, so you can skip this step by just pressing the skip button that is going to show as one of the options. Okay, so you just skip it, and then now you'll be asked to enter your legal name. Okay, so you can enter anything or just enter what matches on your government issued ID. So after entering your name, just click on next. So now you'll be asked to enter your date of birth. Okay, so let me do that real quick, then click on next, and then now you'll be asked to choose a cash tag. Okay, so you can just enter something unique that you want, or you can leave it just like so, and then you click on next. So now you'll be asked to enter a zip code. You just want to enter anything random, and then click on next. Okay, so now you'll be asked to choose a cash pin. Okay, so let me just enter real quick so this screen will stop being dimmed, and then I confirm it. Okay, so now you'll be asked to create a Cash App card. If you want to, you can go ahead creating that, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll just skip this step. And now you can invite friends and get 10 bucks. Okay, so you can just invite friends and get $10 instantly for inviting friends. So I won't want to do that right now, so I'll just click on skip. Now you can see welcome to Cash App. That is it, guys. That's how you get to create a Cash App account from any country. Okay, if you found this video actually helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell to not miss our upcoming update. Okay, so I catch you on the next one.